Hi, how are you? Firstly, we are discussing about a 3D printer. I will be informed to the video about a 3D printing and how does a 3D printing works. 3D printing works on a different methods and different types of a 3D printing are available in this world. If you are wants to a 3D prints, firstly you have the 3D objects, uh, 3D objects, and then you have a slicing software, and after the end you have a parts of a memory card. You should have the memory card. There which you are imports on G code files. Firstly imports objects on a slicer software, and then slice to a software and according to a requirements and according to a purpose and moving to objects uppers and downs and lefts and rights. After that choosing the on settings like say temperature, heat, heat, cooling fan, speed, and others. If you are selecting a R or set a all options, then slash to a objects and a G code files are created for a 3D printer. These G code files are understands for a 3D printer. 3D printers starting a prints according to a G code files. 3D printer is a not now what is your objects and how to do you want 3D objects only wants to a movings, and that is a now only a movings of of a of a printing nozzle. After that, a completing of a G code files and your object is fully made. And then you are picking and using to these objects. If you are constructions of a 3D printing, 3D printer construction process and their parts is very helpful to now 3D printing. Firstly, in which use a stepper motors or a NEMA motors are used. Two movings of a nozzle of a 3D printer, and after that a main circuit boards and main circuit board supply and nozzle heat pads and R structures are necessary for 3D printing. NEMA motors moving to a nozzles according to a G code files, and after that a extruder function is a push the filaments on the nozzle, and nozzle are a fully heat up and that is a moved.